Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you are feeling well. And now I'm so glad to get you. Student, do you know when our country announced its independence? Great your neck, our country announced this independence of August 17, 1945. But do you know the figures behind our country independence? Not yet. Okay, don't worry because I'd like to tell you about the figures behind the independence of Indonesia. So, now please listen to me. Student, we know that the proclamation of Indonesian independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesian people. And there are 8 national figures who made in reality. Two are Mr. Soekarno, Muhammad Hatta, Ahmad Subarjo, Admiral Tadasi Maida, Sukarni, Fatmawati Sayuti Melik, and B.M. Dia. Then the first figure is Mr. Soekarno. National figures behind the independence of Indonesia. The proclamation of Indonesia independence gave a very important meaning to the Indonesian people. Since the proclamation of independence text was read out, the Indonesian people have an independent, sovereign, and definitive state. This milestone would not have happened if there were no people of this nation who were there to proclaim independence. Insinyur Soekarno is one of the people who contributed in establishing the Republic of Indonesia as a sovereign state. Bung Karno was born in Blitar as Java 1 June 6, 1901 and died in Jakarta 1 June 21, 1970. Bung Karno drafted the text of the proclamation at the house of Admiral Tadasi Maida with Bung Hatta. Ahmad Subarjo, he then signed the proclamation text on behalf of Indonesia with Bung Hatta. The next, Dr. Haji Muhammad Hatta or Bung Hatta was born in Bukit Tinggi, West Sumatra on August 12, 1902. He died in Jakarta on March 14, 1900 at the age of 77. The age of 77, Hatta drafted the text of the proclamation with Bung Karno and Mr. Ahmad Subarjo. The next, Ahmad Subarjo Jojo Di Surjo was born in Karawang, West Java on March 23, 1896 and died on December 50, 1978 at the age of 2 years. He is Indonesia's first Minister of Foreign Affairs. Ahmad Subarjo is one of the figures from the old group who played a role in preparing the proclamation of Indonesia independence. Next, Admiral Tadasi Maida was a high-ranking officer in the Imperial Japanese Navy. He helped Indonesia to prepare draft text of proclamation of Indonesia independence by inviting two important figures to his house and let them use it for a very important activity. Sukarni was born in Blitar, East Java, on July 14, 1916. He died in Jakarta on May 7, 1971 at the age of 54. His full name is Sukarni Kartodiwirjo. The next, Fatmawati, whose real name is Fatima, was Insinyur Soekarno's wife. She was born in Bengkulu on 1923 and died in Jakarta in 1908. The text of the Proclamation of Indonesian Independence was typed by Sayuti Malik. Sayuti Malik is a youth leader who was also very important in the Proclamation of Indonesia Independence. Sayuti Malik typed the script of proclamation to perfect in from Bung Karno's handwriting. The text of the proclamation was original. Thank you.